Hi guys, today we are going to encounter the error code 529 in Roblox. We are experiencing technical difficulties. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. The cause of the Roblox error code 529 is the Roblox server or down or under maintenance or temporary login or authentication failure, or you got disconnected from the game due to server instability. So our first step is to check the server from Roblox site. So for that you need to enter into your browser and search for status.roblox.com. Click Roblox status. Yeah, it shows all system are operational, so it's not from the server end. The Roblox server is working perfectly. So our next step is to enter into our settings and check the date and time. So once you enter into your settings, click on time and language, date and time. In that you need to check your date and time is working perfectly, and also enable the zone and time automatically settings. This may keep your date and time up to date. So once you done, our next step is to check the network and internet settings. Here what we are gonna do is troubleshoot the network. For that you need to enter into your system, following troubleshoot and then other troubleshoot, and then run the network and internet troubleshoot. Once the network is stable, it shows that there is no problem. If in case it has any problem, it will shows another pop-up. Here what we are gonna do is just run the network test, and then you need to restart the Wi-Fi network adapter, and you need to restart your modem or router or access point. For that you need to physically pull out your wire or plug in and plug out your adapter or Wi-Fi router. Yeah, here that's what I was trying to say. Once this is done, please close it, and after that you need to restart the system. Yeah, just restart your system and open again and check whether the problem or issue is solved or not. I hope the issue will be solved by using these steps. Yeah, thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube, and don't forget to press the bell icon.